Alright, so the usual suspect, the middle term, right? That's the usual suspect. So we'll have to figure out what we're going to do about that. Yeah? So we'll have to figure that out. So again, right? We're trying to figure this one out. Right? Wait, what did I do with the... There we go. I'm looking for my black marker. Alright, see. Yeah. I do this from time to time. Oh look, black and red. Look at that. Yeah. Anyhow, we have 105. We have 14. And that's beautiful. I'll tell you why. Because 105 is easy to remember. Right? If you can remember 70, you can remember 105. 70 is 2 by 5 by 7. And 105 is 3 by 5 by 7. Right? So, you know, let me just put that down. Alright, so with that in mind, we're going to put these two together. Right? We're going to have to do that. So, now we're here. Right? So we finally have it. Let's see, 49 times 3, and you multiply that by 10, and that would give you what the AC would be. But we're not going to be doing all that. What we're going to do is, and I'll tell you, a lot of times what we want is actually in the middle. So let's try that. Let's try, you know, what would we get if we did this? We get 35. And then what else would we get? Seriously? Yeah. No. Can you see clearly now? So we have 5 plus 2, 7. 3 plus 4, 7. Put an X here, an X here, and an X here. Right? And just like that, we have 77X. So the beautiful thing about this is that now we can replace 77x with 42x and 35x, both of them being positives in that all the signs are positive, right? So, yeah, there you go. So, at least we solved that part of the problem, yeah? Alright, so, is there anything else? The only thing we have left to do now is to factorize 105 and 35. 42 and 14, and that part is the easy part, right? We know how to find prime factors, so if we know that, we can get this done, right? And then everything is positive, so you don't have any, you know, there's no minus signs to trick you, so this is a lot easier to do. So anyhow, I'll just, you know, let me fast forward a little bit, yeah? And here we go, right? So, well, obviously you can see that over there is how we get what we're going to put right here. So just put it in the groundwork so that we know exactly what we need to put down, right? So just give me a second while we fast forward. So our 35x comes from this. That's why we have that there, right? So, and our 14 goes right here. We got it from this. Right? So now, what do we do? Alright, so are we seeing it yet? Seeing it yet? No? So, when you look over there, the only thing we didn't circle is 3 and x. So, 3x. We circled everything. 35 divided by 35 will give us 1. So, we have 3x plus 1 right here. Yeah? And, fun fact, if we divide this 42x by 14, we will get 3x right there. We divide that 14 by 14, we'll get 1 right here. So that's why a lot of the times I just copy and paste, because you're going to get the same thing anyway. So you might as well, right? Once you get here, you're nearly done. You're almost there, right? You're literally almost there. So, we're almost at the last step now. So, let's have a look at that. So, ladies and gents, this is it, right? We are now at the end of it. So again, you know, thanks for helping me to stay consistent. And as I always tell you, honor your commitments. Yeah, yeah. I know you're probably tired of hearing me saying that, but yes. So, again, we're going to do another one. I'm just not going to do it right this minute. What we're going to do, we're going to keep having fun with these, because if you can factorize something like this, and believe me, there are times when this will end up on the other side, right? It's possible to factorize that anyway. That used to confuse me, but I promise that once we have a handle on finding the middle term, we don't have a problem. So again, thanks for helping me to stay consistent. And as I always tell you, honor your commitment.